Bolthouse Farms carrot chips, steamed this afternoon. Put them in the microwave to heat them up, and they were sparking. Let's see what happens. These are some Bolthouse Farms carrot chips. I steamed them this afternoon, and then I put some on a plate to warm them up in the microwave, and they were sparking. Let's see what happens. Turn the light off. Well, there it was. You saw it. That came out of a carrot. I don't know. There it is. There's the burn mark. Ow. See that? So, I don't know what's wrong with your product, Bolthouse Farms, but there's clearly metal shavings in it. Here's the bag. Let's see if we can read this. Not very well. Best if used by. I don't know what else is on here that can be. It says best if used by September 25th, 2014. Looks like it says 05R12:21 BF114H26. Purchased at Walmart about a week ago. Wow. Some more of those Bolthouse. Burn mark. Burn mark. Burn mark.